Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend, your go-to destination for exploring iconic and fascinating vehicles. Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept. What if the Nissan Qashqai had existed in 1968? While the Qashqai as we know it debuted decades later, let's reimagine it as a classic crossover designed for the late 1960s. Imagine a 1968 Nissan Qashqai with a retro yet futuristic design. It might feature sleek, aerodynamic lines combined with bold chrome accents, reflecting the style of that era. The compact body would have blended practicality and sophistication, making it a trailblazer in the crossover segment before it even existed. Under the hood, the 1968 Qashqai could have been powered by a robust four-cylinder engine, delivering reliability and efficiency. Paired with a manual transmission, it would offer a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Its suspension would balance comfort and capability, ideal for navigating both city streets and countryside roads. The interior would likely be functional and minimalist, with analog dials, a simple dashboard layout, and comfortable seating for 5 passengers. Features such as wood grain trim and a classic AM/FM radio could add a touch of vintage charm, while thoughtful storage spaces would ensure practicality for families and adventurers alike. This reimagined Qashqai would embody Nissan's commitment to innovation, blending versatility with style. It's fun to think about how a vehicle like this might have set the stage for the modern crossovers we know and love today. Thank you for joining us on this imaginative journey into automotive history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Trend for more creative explorations. Until next time, keep dreaming of classic cars and their timeless possibilities.